Politika, politika, politika. WPS is politics. Here, the resolution that was filed was political. Diretsuhin ko na po, diretsa, politika. Why file a resolution against two LGUs that you're not allies with? Diba? EDCA site is not even in Tuguegarao. EDCA site is in Santa Ana and it is in Lando. It's almost 2 hours away from Tuguegarao City. I have nothing against an investigation that will bring about change. Tama po yan. The concerns, meron. Kung concerns ang pag-uusapan, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin wala eh. Diba? Andyan yan talagang kung the fact that someone is bringing it up means there is subsector na may concern. We may not have the same concerns, but it's there. So it's okay. Well and good. Go investigate. Go ask, no? But don't drag your political enemies into national infamy dahil lang you have to prove something to who? I don't know. No? Last year pa eh. Last year pang nandito yung mga estudyante. Why only now? Diba? Why only now? And then for you to claim na the LGU is supporting this, the LGU is anti this, and without cause, without basis, and then come up with a figure that is basically made up, that is politics. They're here to help. Bakit ako magalit? If they're going to train our people, bakit ako magalit? Kung magtutulong sila. In the same way that we say economically, kung mapasok ang mga estudyante for us to earn, if EDCA comes in and gives us the help, that's in one way economics also eh. Bakit ako tatakli?
Pro-China ka rin.
I'm pro everything. I'm half Chinese. I've never hidden that fact, no? Bakit ako kukontra? I don't look at it as kaaway kita. Madami rin sinasabi laban sa Amerikano. Kaaway ko ba ang Amerikano? Hindi. Am I pro-American? Hindi rin. I'm pro-Filipino. Diba? Yun yung totoo. Kung sasabihin ko si pro-Chinese ako, edi parang inoffend ko naman itong isang bansa, kawawa naman ng Pilipinas. As a Filipino, I should have a stand that I'm pro-Filipino and not pro any other countries. Diba? Pilipino tayo, hindi ka pro-American, hindi ka pro-China. Pilipino ka. Period. Huwag kang kumampi. Dito ka sa bansa mo kumampi. And if you truly care and love your country, find a way for that country to have peace. Hindi naman kinakailangan makigera ka para lang mapatunayan mong sayo yung West Philippine Sea. No? There are other ways. You can go beyond those things that are happening now to ensure that your people, the Filipinos, are safe. Hindi stand ko. I wouldn't call it special relationship. Probably they would have a better access, or they would have parang mas more trust in us, seeing that we have Chinese blood. We speak one of their dialects, but not fluently, unfortunately, no? It's easier. Pumunta ka ng abroad, naglalakad ka, kabayan! Sino pagtitiwalaan mo, di ba? I mean, kung sino yung tingin mong meron kang connection. Was it my fault I was born with Chinese blood? No. But am I going to throw that away? No. Diba? If I can use that to my advantage to start a conversation, to start a dialogue for peace, bakit ako ayaw? Diba? But it's not my fault that I have Chinese blood. Much the same way that Filipinos, when they were born, had Filipino blood, no? Let us not look at people that way. Let us look at people as human beings. Let us not look at the race. We look at people as people, human beings, no? Tanggalin kasi natin yung Amerikano to, Chinese to, Filipino ito. Let's remove all of those things. You look at humankind Di ba? Yung tao, hindi dugo.